Let's pack my hospital bag with me. This is just my stuff in here. I know it seems like a lot, but it is a lot actually. I am a third repeat C-section, and when I'm filming this, the C-section is 2 days away. I'm 39 plus weeks. Don't be like me and pack last minute. And I'm packing it in like a weekender bag. This is by Dagny Dover. So I'm packing 2 sleep nightgowns, and then I'm also bringing an extra set of PJs, long sleeve shirt, pants. Then we have socks. I got 2 grippy socks, and then I got a long pair of socks that are a little bit more fluffy, and then of course some nursing bras. Last time I packed a shorter robe with Emira and Elodie. This time around I want a longer robe, so it's just a little bit longer for when I'm walking, taking walks around the postpartum area, especially after a C-section. They want you up and walking just to make sure you get everything moving. And then for postpartum care, you also will bleed after, even if you have a C-section. So for me, I really like the disposable underwear, and these right here are my favorites. So if you are a first-time mom for postpartum, check disposable period underwear. These are phenomenal. The one thing I'm not grabbing for my postpartum care after the C-section, it's like a belly band, and I can't find mine. Hoping they have one for me at the hospital for, you know, to kind of hold me all in, especially where the scar is going to be. But that's what I'm hoping I get at the hospital. And then going home outfit, I'm just bringing like a non-maternity tighter long sleeve shirt, and then these postpartum leggings are phenomenal. I use them with both Emira and Elodie going home, and of course a nursing bra that's also very comfy, and some socks without the grippy, so that way they fit the shoes a little bit easier. We'll put that right here. We have some slippers in here, and then last but not least, my toiletry bag. This is gonna include my skincare, my body care, and my makeup. Travel mirror, my toothpaste, toothbrush stuff, have my deodorant, nursing pads. Of course, my silhouettes are in here as well. A headband, then I have my makeup eraser, my day hairbrush, and then my skincare is in here. In here, I have skincare that are all travel sizes for nighttime and daytime skincare. And I'm also grabbing my 40-ounce water bottle with me, a small little tripod, phone charger. I'm gonna grab my iPad charger. Also bringing a pillow for myself, a pillow for Andre. Bring your own pillow. Andre's gonna bring a blanket just for himself. I think I'm forgetting anything else. Very excited. It's getting very real. I'm excited, I'm nervous, but more excited and so anxious to meet this little baby, whoever this little baby is. I'll see you later. Bye.